Hey plant lovers, welcome back. If I told you that some of the best protein sources on the planet aren't sitting in the meat aisle at all, they're growing in your garden, your pantry, or even along the back fence of your own yard, would you believe me? Today we're counting down 12 plants that pack more protein, gram for gram, than a piece of steak or a chicken breast. And stick around for number 7 because it's a wild plant that's been quietly spreading across America for over 100 years, and odds are it's growing somewhere near you right now. Let's get into it. Number 12. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds come from the cannabis sativa plant, but don't worry, these little seeds contain no THC, just pure nutrition. You can grow hemp in well-drained soil under full sun if your area allows it, or simply buy whole hemp hearts and sprinkle them on oatmeal, smoothies, or salads. At around 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, hemp seeds beat out most cuts of beef and chicken without you ever touching a grill. Number 11. Spirulina. This blue-green algae isn't a plant in the strictest sense, but it grows in water the same way a pond plant would, and plant lovers everywhere have started cultivating it at home in simple aquarium-style setups. You keep it warm, sunny, and gently aerated, then harvest and dry it into that famous green powder. With roughly 57 grams of protein per 100 grams, spirulina more than doubles the protein content of beef. Number 10. Pumpkin seeds. Every pumpkin you carve or cook is hiding a protein powerhouse in its center. Scoop the seeds out, rinse off the pulp, toss them with a little oil and salt, and roast at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes until crisp. That simple snack delivers close to 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, putting it right on par with a chicken breast. Number 9. Soybeans. Soybeans are one of the easiest legumes to grow in a home garden. Sow them after your last frost date, give them full sun, and let the pods mature until they turn dry and brittle. Harvest them young for edamame, or let them fully dry for storage and cooking. Dry soybeans clock in around 36 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them one of the most protein-dense plants you can grow yourself. Number 8. Peanuts. Peanuts are technically a legume, not a nut, and they have a strange habit of flowering above ground before burying their own pods underground to mature. Plant them in loose, sandy soil after the last frost and dig them up in early fall once the leaves start yellowing. Peanuts average about 26 grams of protein per 100 grams, essentially matching the protein content of a lean cut of beef. Number 7. Kudzu. Here's the one I promised you. Kudzu is a fast-climbing vine that was brought to the United States all the way back in 1876, showcased at the Philadelphia Centennial Exposition as an ornamental porch plant. By the 1930s, agricultural experts were promoting it across the South as a protein-rich forage crop for livestock and a fix for soil erosion. And it's been spreading wild across America ever since, over 100 years and counting. You won't need to plant this one. It's likely already growing along fences, tree lines, or forest edges near you, and the young leaves, shoots, and starchy roots are all edible once cooked, offering a genuinely protein-rich food source that's been hiding in plain sight for generations. Number 6. Chia seeds. Chia comes from a flowering plant native to Mexico and Guatemala, and it's surprisingly simple to grow in a sunny pot or garden bed. Let the plant flower and go to seed, then harvest the seed heads once they've dried out completely. Chia delivers about 17 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus a hefty dose of fiber and omega-3s that meat simply doesn't offer. Number 5. Mung beans. Mung beans are a warm season legume that thrives when sown directly into the soil once temperatures stay reliably warm. They're also one of the fastest plants to sprout indoors in just a jar of water, making them a year-round option even without a garden. Dry mung beans contain around 24 grams of protein per 100 grams, keeping them right in step with lentils and soybeans. Number 4. Chickpeas. Also known as garbanzo beans, chickpeas need a long, warm growing season and well-drained soil to really thrive. Let the pods dry fully on the plant before harvesting, then store them dry or cook them into hummus, stews, or roasted snacks. Chickpeas offer close to 19 to 20 grams of protein per 100 grams in their dry form, comfortably rivaling most poultry. Number 3. Quinoa. Quinoa comes from a hardy, grain-like plant that originated high in the Andes Mountains, and it actually prefers cooler climates over hot, humid ones. Grow it from seed, let the seed heads mature and dry on the stalk, then thresh and rinse the seeds before cooking. Dry quinoa holds about 14 grams of protein per 100 grams, and unlike most plant proteins, it's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Number 2. Moringa. Moringa is a fast-growing tropical tree, and its leaves are considered one of the most nutrient-dense plant foods in the world. Harvest the leaves by hand, dry them completely out of direct sunlight, then grind them into the bright green powder you've probably seen labeled a superfood. Dried moringa leaf powder contains roughly 27 grams of protein per 100 grams, putting it ahead of most cuts of pork or chicken. Number 1. Lentils. Lentils take the top spot as one of the most reliable, protein-dense plants any gardener can grow. They're a cool season crop, so sow them in early spring, let the pods mature and dry on the plant, then harvest and store them for months without any special equipment. Dry lentils pack about 24 to 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, and because they cook down so easily into soups, curries, and stews, they're one of the simplest ways to build a plant-based protein habit that actually lasts. And there you have it, plant lovers. 12 plants proving that some of the richest protein sources around aren't behind a butcher's counter. They're right there in your garden, your pantry, or growing wild along the tree line you walk past every day. If this list opened your eyes to what's growing around you, give this video a like, drop a comment letting me know which one surprised you most, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, keep growing.